Take a ride in the 2017 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires front performance, tires rear all season, tires rear performance. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.